In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over some landscaping edging that kind of like you would put around a garden or maybe a sidewalk or something like this. And what this is a 6-pack, and it also has all of the clips you need right here. And here's the instruction, and here is the 6 little pieces. I took one out and just kind of like measured it and seen kind of what I'm going to do with it. And the overall package they're saying is about 19 feet. So we can round up and say about 20 feet of edging there. And let's just kind of like look over these very basic instructions, everybody. The instruction manual, how to bend and corten steel edging. So you can see the way they say to do it is get a piece of wood, step on it, and just pull up. And that way you can put a bend like that if you want to do like an L shape or maybe curve it or something like that. And then the instructions have get a shovel and make your outline with the shovel. Get a hammer and a 2x4 and make sure you get the gloves. I think there are some gloves with this. I laid them down over there, but I will get the gloves here in a minute. Lower the edging down into the actual spot, and what these are the brackets, and they slide down when the pieces interlace, and that will give you a more of a solid look. You can see how it looks right there. That one's pretty rusted, but these are galvanized steel, so these supposedly won't rust. But you know what? Only time will tell with that. So let me go ahead. I have a little garden area that I'm going to use over here, or basically go around my fence. So let me go ahead, grab the shovel, grab a hammer, get some wood. I think I might have a 2x4, maybe a piece of stick or something around. And let's get to edging. I've got my little garden area that I'm gonna have kind of going right here. And all I'm gonna do is just run it straight down through here. So I have my shovel. So let me go ahead and start putting the line, and then we'll come back and I'll start edging around this thing. Okay, so I just went ahead, lined them up, and I used the measuring tape to measure from here. So I'm 38 inches from there to there, and you can see how it goes along right here, and then I'm gonna have it going and cutting in that way. So all I did right now is I've just pressed it down into the ground. And over here, what I found was just a basic like piece of wood right there. And I'm gonna hit on the back of that, and then I'm gonna hammer it down. And I'm gonna hammer it down till it gets around about the height of Millie there. So we'll try to get it that low, and then I'll put these on each one of these. What this does, this separates it, and you can see how it just slides down on there, and then you'll hammer them down. I'll do all that once I kind of get them locked in. So let's go ahead, let's get to hammering. Okay, there it is, everybody. I just finished up. So what I did, I just went down and hammered it in very slightly, and you could see how it's leveled off there. Then I got a rake and there's a pulled up to make it look a lot kind of even all the way down through there. I had 2 of these brackets left over, but you look how it just kind of like blends in nicely. There's an actual joint there. The next joint is right here, and you see how I just kind of like pulled the soil up on it. And then I was able to actually put a bend right here, and I just used my boot. I just put my boot in there and put a bend, so you can see how I wanted to finish out going right here. So I have this all kind of lined up right there, and this actually came out looking way better than I thought it would. These actually work really good. I'm impressed with these. Everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just needing to get some landscape edging on like a small garden or maybe around a fence or something like that at a very affordable cost. So yeah, there it is, everybody. See you in the next video.